Hi, I'm here with question 1 of the myimaths task. The question says, work out angle x, give your answer to the nearest whole number. Okay? Now, these are all right-angled triangles, so we're going to use right-angled triangle trigonometry, SOHCAHTOA, and for each one, we have to figure out which one are we going to use, sine, cosine, tan, and then solve the problem from there. Let's have a look at these three simultaneously. The first one, we have with respect to x, this is our reference angle. 5 is directly opposite x, so this is the opposite. And 7 is the longest side, that's the hypotenuse. It's across from the 90-degree angle. So we have opposite and hypotenuse. That's the sine of x. The sine of x is the opposite divided by the hypotenuse. We substitute our values, 5 and 7. So we have the sine of x equals 5 over 7. Now, when we do the inverse of sine, we can get back our angle. This is the sine of x, but we want to do the reverse operation to get back our angle. So the inverse of sine of 5 over 7. That's how you get back the angle. So in your calculator, it's shift sine, and then 5 divided by 7 equals, okay? Close bracket equals. And you should have gotten rounded to one decimal, or the nearest whole number. We want to round to the nearest whole number. You should get 46 degrees. The second one, with respect to this angle x, the opposite is 5. And this one is the adjacent. So we have the opposite over the adjacent. So that is the tan. The tan of x is the opposite over adjacent. Substitute the values, 5 and 10. Now you have the tan of x equals 5 over 10. Take the inverse tan. Shift tan, 5 over 10. Close bracket. And you should get 27 degrees rounded to the nearest whole number. The last one, the third one, with respect to this angle x. Now they've moved the x on you. They've put it up here. Usually it's down here, but now they've got it up here. So the longest side is the hypotenuse. So this is the longest side. That's the hypotenuse. And the side adjacent to x is 9 centimeters. So we have adjacent divided by hypotenuse. That's the cos of x. The cos of x equals adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Substitute your values, 9 and 17. Now you have to do the inverse cos to get back the angle. The inverse cos, shift cos, 9 over 17. And the end result is 58 degrees. Okay? And that's rounded to one decimal place. No, it's rounded to the nearest whole number. Okay, those are the answers for the first three. Pause the video and try the next three. See if you can get those ones using the same strategy. And here are all the answers. Hopefully you got them right. Bye.